Welcome back, everyone. After working with a product, I was eager to get this video out and show you the Masterson's tire and trim shine. For the value of what you pay for it, this is versatile. It takes care of many jobs throughout your detailing routine throughout the day. So today we're going to take a look at this. I'm going to show you what I have treated with this, and I don't know if you could see it because it's been tipped a little bit, but what we treated in this video only took the bottle down to about here. So a little does go a long way. That's very important to me, as well as a product that does more than one job, as I've stated in many videos. You don't get skimped when these are sent to you. They're filled up to the brim. And like I said, we only used maybe an ounce or two, so this bottle will last you for quite some time. So for what you pay for it, I think is a great value. Let's take a look. Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine is 15 bucks for 16 fluid ounces. It's extremely easy to apply. Put a pea-sized dab either on a foam applicator for your tires or on a microfiber applicator to treat your trim. It's very thick. A little bit goes a long way, and it's good to treat rubber, plastic, vinyl. It will take care of exterior trim, oxidize, faded, or if you want to protect trim that's new. It'll take care of your tires. It'll also take care of plastic, hard surfaces, and trim in the interior of your car as well. This product is water-based, and although not a professional coating that will last you a year or so, it does have coating technologies of Masterson's, which I'm not sure exactly what that is chemically, but it is weatherproof. It will repel water and rain and whatever Mother Nature will throw at it. As we demonstrate applying the tires first, I'll bring you in close, as I usually do, let you see what to expect while applying it and the first few seconds of curing. It's easy to apply. You're not pushing around a glob of slime. It's easy to get in and around the design and the lettering on the sidewall of the tires. Alright, so this is when it's first applied. This is what it looks like when it just starts to cure. And I already have some applied to the other three tires, and I'll walk you around. This is exactly the way I like my tires to be. Not dripping, greasing wet, but a nice new look to it. Now, there are customers out there that do like the glossy look, so I'll show you on a lower profile tire. This is after 2-3 coats. This is just applied. Another hour and the product will cure and will not sling up onto the body of your car. That's important as well. As for the plastic trim on the exterior of your car, no matter where it is or what color, it also restores, gives it a nice dark rich looking color, and protects it. When it comes to faded, oxidized plastic trim, and again, it doesn't matter where it is, the product will treat it and condition it before protecting it. And here's a little sample of that. I've used the product with great success many times in treating, conditioning, and protecting the plastic cowl that covers the wiper motors right in front of the windshield. That gets blasted with UVA, UVB, and the Masterson's tire and trim shine will take care of it. Now, when I come back after it cures, it'll be nice and dark and rich, but it won't be like an oil slick under here. Because it doesn't dry, oily, or greasy, it is excellent on the plastic trim of your interior. This is an area where you really only need 1 or 2 pea-sized dabs to treat each section or each panel, and this is where the product goes a long way. Don't forget about your dash, your center console, all the plastic around the instrument cluster. If you have left behind any high spots at all, just take a dry plush microfiber, mop over it quickly, and move on. This was a lighter colored interior. I also treated and protected a darker interior, so you get to see what both would look like after the Mastersons. Tons of plastic in the engine compartments of modern day cars and trucks. Might as well treat and protect that as well. Hey, you never know when you have to pop the hood. If you apply evenly in an area like this, there would be no need to knock off the high spots with a dry microfiber. Just slam the hood and move on. Okay guys, I'm going to put a link down below for the Masterson's tire and trim shine. I like this because this is one of the few products that gets tires exactly the way I want them on the first application. I don't have to go messing with it. I don't have to apply and then go over it with a microfiber to lighten it up a bit, or I don't have to make a second application to add some more product. It's one of the few that gets it right on the first try. It also takes care of faded plastic trim, and although not a coating that will last you for years and years, this does have some decent versatility for the price. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.